Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Dance Mom here. I have a review of my Azaria backpack today. I received this bag, probably about 4 days ago, and I just got to use it in the last couple of days, so I thought I'd come and give you guys my thoughts about it, and at the end of my little talk I will do a packing video because I know there have been a couple of people who keep asking me for that. So I have tried to film this twice and I've had lighting issues and things in the frame, so I am going to do it today, I promise. Clara's down for a nap, so I thought today would be a great opportunity to get that done. So I'm going to go over my thoughts about the bag first, what I liked about it, what I was iffy about, what's grown on me about the design and about how it functions. So this is in the black, and I do really like this color. I think it's really classy. The only thing that I have noticed with this bag being black is that it tends to get some white kind of marks on it. Not permanent marks. Let's see if you can see any of that. Probably not. But marks that I can, of course, wipe off. But I don't know, maybe it's because it's black, it attracts a little bit more. This is a faux leather bag, so it isn't real leather, but it's a nice feeling material. I think this is the newer version, so it is a little bit textured. It might be, I don't know. I don't know what the old version was like. So if you had the old version, maybe, or the older version, maybe let me know. But it feels a little bit pebbled, but it's not super smooth. It's not smooth like, say, the Fawn Design bag material is. Okay, so things I liked about it. Okay, so I like how sleek it is. I like how comfortable these straps are. These are the faux leather about 3/4 of the way down, and then seatbelt material down the rest of the way. When it was adjusted on the seatbelt material, it did tend to slide. So I did have to readjust it up onto the faux leather, the adjuster, and it didn't have that issue. This is a very long strap, so if you're tall, this is great, but it does adjust up. So if you're on the shorter side, it should work as well. It is very comfortable to carry. I've carried it constantly for the last 2 days. I didn't really put it on the pram at all, maybe for like 5 minutes, and then Clara wanted to walk, so it got put on my back. So it is comfortable. It does have some nice organization in the middle, but some of the organization is a little bit weird, like some of the pockets are a little bit weird. I am not a huge fan of the outside functionality of the pockets. They look nice, but I don't know, I'm getting used to it. I think if I use it more often, I'll get used to it. Zippers are nice. This is nice, this hardware here. I like how it kind of bends, although the Miss Fong does the same thing. And it's okay. It's okay zippers. They're not super smooth, but they seem hardy. When you come around to this side of the bag here, if you can't see how it's very much, it kind of bends a little bit here. If you come around all the way, it is kind of, you do either have to hold it or really kind of pull it around that little corner. That's just one thing. I'm kind of fussy. I look for all this stuff, right? So right here, but there's no feet on the bottom, which I kind of wish there was some feet on the bottom. But yeah, so those are kind of my thoughts about the functionality of the outside. Now, when I go into the packing portion, you'll see that there is a large floppy mesh pocket. Don't like that. I'll be honest, I think it's pointless. The Be Sporty has, the G2B Be Sporty has the same type of mesh pocket, and I hate it. If you've seen any of my videos, I always remove that pocket. I'm not going to do that to this bag because, you know, it's a beautiful kind of stylish bag, but it's not very logical to me. I don't know what, if it was like elasticized and you could pull it out and kind of, it would hold things against the bag, that's one thing, but it doesn't. It's just flopping out there. And it's the same with the two other mesh pockets in this bag. They have elastic on them, but they're already kind of hanging out, so I don't really understand. But you know, you can put things in there really easy, but it's not like it holds it against the bag, if that makes any sense. So that is just my quick rundown about it. I do like the little handle here, how I like how it flops behind, so then it's not kind of sticking up on your back when you're wearing it. It's just nice and flush. I like how sleek this feels on my back. It's very comfortable, plus it just looks really nice, right? It just has a very nice look about it, especially the black. So yeah, so I'm gonna go into the packing portion now. So if you wanna see that, stick around. If you have any comments about or questions about what I just talked about, please pop them below. And so let's move. So the Azaria Diaper Bag does come with a messenger strap that I actually ended up finding in the internal zip portion of the bag, in the back little zipper. So if you do get this bag and you're wondering where this is, that is where I found it. Because at first I was thinking they didn't include it and I started to get really upset, but that's where I ended up finding it. So there is a pocket at the front here, which is, I guess, a mommy pocket. It does close with a little magnet here. It's not the strongest magnet, but if you do find it, it will close. So in here I have my Tokidoki coin purse with my lipstick, lip gloss and lip crayon in there. And I also have my mini wipe pouch in monochrome hearts with some antibacterial wipes. There is the logo down here painted in a silver, which is quite nice. It's not too ostentatious, which I like about these things. There is a zip pocket on the mommy pocket, and this goes the entire way along the front of the bag. And in here I have my Country Road leather wallet. This is a lovely leather wallet, by the way. If you're in Australia, they make some lovely wallets. There's a bottle pocket on each side, and as I don't know if you can see in the camera, but here are the little marks that I've noticed. That I've only used this bag for 2 days and there's already little marks on me. I could probably wipe them off, but yeah, anyway. In this pocket I have a small set piece in chrome, and this is just my mommy pouch with all different things in there: band-aids, hand cream, floss, lens wipes, headache tablets, kind of a combination mommy med kit. I also have a hand sanitizer in here as well, which is really handy to get to. Other bottle pocket, I have my keys popped in there. There is a key leash in the center of the bag, but I prefer them in that pocket. There are D-rings on each side of the bag to hang it off a pram, or you can put the messenger strap on here and use it as a messenger bag. The backpack straps are, as I said, faux leather about 3/4 of the way down, which is a nice accent and it is comfortable on your back. Then there's seatbelt material, nylon material on the bottom half, and then it does attach on the side here with a nice black onyx hardware, and you can remove it and stick the straps into the back pocket if you wanted to. I keep it as a backpack because that's how I like to wear it. This is a nice big slip pocket, and in here I just popped my iPhone 8 Plus. That's it for the outside of the bag. I'm now going to move on to the inside. It does open with 2 zipper pulls, so you can go either side. And these are decent zippers, so they do go all the way around. It is a definite, I'd say, U shape, and there is faux leather on the top of the flap as well, so you can fold it back like this. Now I just popped my full-size muslin blanket in here by Aiden and Annis, just to show you that there is a lot of room on top. But this is something I might bring during the winter time, because it is a lovely blanket. Also have on top here my daughter's Boo. So this is packed for my 2-year-old, by the way, I forgot to mention that. There is also a hat on top as well, little bed head. They make lovely hats. Got a zipper back here with black zipper pull, and in here I have my Tokidoki coin purse with my hairbrush and hair tie, and I also have a Hello Kitty coin purse that I've got some disposable baggies and a wet bag in. The material on the inside is quite thick, it's well stitched, it's wipeable, so I do enjoy that. So this back pocket here, I have a large Be Organized with 2 size 5 disposable nappies and a light change pad. I find that works really well in this back pocket. This back pocket does magnetize shut with a little magnet there too. Key leash here too, and I just pop that back in there. I'll just show you what's in the center portion. I have my Y pouch 30, and I also have a medium set piece and turkey pops with some snack bags inside. That's it for the center. So I'll just turn it around so you can see the other pockets. So there is a mesh pocket on this side, and I just have another medium set piece with a change of clothes, size 3 pants and size 3 top. And then in the other little mesh pocket, I have my daughter's Fugu Funtainer, and that fits nicely in there, keeps it secure. You can also fit a full-size Funtainer and then a really large thermos in there as well. And the last thing is this mesh pocket at the back here that I was talking about earlier. It's very, very floppy, but what I just popped in there were her toys. So I have some Tegu blocks in a small Be Organized, and a small set piece with some little toys, like a fidget spinner and a car and a little flippy ball thing that I don't even know where she got this from, but she tends to like it. It's a little noisy, but who cares if you're in a noisy place, right? No one's gonna notice. You can see inside the bag there is the mesh pocket, and then there are 2 mesh pockets, one on each side. So it is kind of a skinny bag, but I am getting used to it. So I do like it. It's very nice. It's a very sleek, kind of fancy looking bag. So there's my packing portion of the review. If you have any questions about anything, please pop them below. And I will see you for my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.